Hey guys, thank you for watching another segment of Wheels Boutique YouTube channel. My name is Ben, I'm the owner of Wheels Boutique. Today we got something pretty impressive. DBX 2024
Aston Martin DBX.
Mansory edition. Car is amazing. Full wide body, all carbon front end, staggered AN20 ANRKY wheels in 23-inch. But check out the rear diffuser. Side skirts are just amazing. The detail this kit has. I love the rear center section exhaust. It's just awesome. You got to hear how this thing sounds. An amazing, amazing daily driver. We did full Mansory exhaust all the way back, Mansory tune. Mansory tune, Mansory suspension. I mean, it's awesome. Regular 1x1 carbon weave all the way around. We didn't go with forged on this one, which is an option. And I mean, it's just loaded. Full PPF that we do here in the front also. And this weekend, actually, we're gonna be at Sawgrass Mills Exotic Car Show with Floyd. I hope you guys come check us out. It's gonna be a wonderful event. We're gonna bring some pretty cool toys out there. Again, thank you for watching. Have a great day.